Is the password autofill button missing on your iPad? Let's fix that. So if you recently updated your iPad to iPadOS 26, you might have noticed that the password autofill button at the top of your keyboard has disappeared. That's a pretty handy tool, so let's get it back. All right, so all you have to do on your iPad is open up this new app you'll see. It's called Password. It's got some keys on it. And we'll hit continue. And this is the key right here. Turn on autofill. Yes, we want to do that. Turn on. There we go. We can just skip through the rest of this stuff. And that's it. Now, when we go back to assess, you can see there's the password button right there, ready to go for you. And that's all there is to it. So now you should be able to continue to use the Assess app just like you have in the past. So I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.